What's up, guys? Today's video we'll be shooting pellet guns with me, Rhett, and John, and maybe our brothers will come out, but I'm gonna show you guys the target. So our targets are out there. John and me will try to shoot that one. We're by the tree, and then some people shoot at that bottom one.
All right, Rhett is going to show you my gun now.
Guys, today's video we'll be shooting pellet guns at our targets. So y'all want to see the targets,
And then we'll show you our pellet guns next.
it's not letting me turn it around, but after we shoot them, I'll go show you. So
Oh, it just fell down.
what?
Mine just fell down. That's all right. Yeah.
All right, I gotta see if it's good right there. Can you see the target? Probably.
Yeah, it's good.
I think they can see the target.
Yeah, they can. Yeah, definitely. All right. All right, come on.
There we go.
All right, guys. So, watch out.
Let's pull a chair up to get a rest.
And so targets are right over there. My 22 caliber I'm going to be shooting. And let's see if I can hit that little target right.
Not on the ground though.
All
Shoot
right.
the ones that are like the spinny ones. Hit it.
Hit it.
We gotta set my gun in.
We got to move this. Yeah.
No,
No, because they need to see it.
Yeah, they gotta see us.
They can, because they're watching the cheer. Looking at the cheer.
Well, you'll see us try. What's up? Make sure you like and subscribe. So, I'm gonna miss because my gun's not sighted in.
Let's see.
Don't mind that. That's my dog trying to get outside. Oh, God, it takes so long.
I ain't gonna get on it. The frick did you shoot?
It just shoots like that.
That one was loud.
It kicked.
All right, well,
I don't know why.
watch out. No, don't go in front of me. Are you in front of me?
Whoa.
All right, well,
Oh.
let's see if I can do anything.
Wait, we gotta sight it in.
Hit it again.
I've never hit that target with my pellet gun.
Oh, I have.
So,
hit
John,
there,
you gotta
I thought
sight it
it's
in.
in there.
Wait, I forgot to sight them in. What happens if you put it that way? This piece right there.
You turn it that way, it will
Would it move that way?
turn left or right. No, the top one moves up and down. The
Side one?
right one
Right here?
goes left and right. Yeah. So let's see where you're hitting.
Wait. So, let's try.
No, don't touch it. Shoot. So I know where you're shooting.
No, God, though. Wow. It literally tried picking.
Oh, that's what I'm telling you. No wonder you don't shoot. I'm putting my ears on that one. Did you shoot? Did you shoot?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, hold up, let me go. Let me set up my target.
Oh, hold up. So I'm gonna look through here on the iron sights because I can see through the iron sights. Never mind. Should I shoot iron sights?
Watch out. Alright, I'm gonna slide target up, farther down here.
Oh, we gotta load it. bring you guys with us if you don't know how to load a pellet gun. Oh, I know I don't get views because nobody watches my channel, but if you see this, please like and subscribe. I don't really post because nobody likes to subscribe.
Look at my target. Brett, can you spot my target? Where? Don't shoot at it. Okay.
Oh, I see it.
This is a 20 caliber.
And this is the pellet one.
This,
Oh, God, I guess
this is the 22 caliber. This is a 177.
Here,
A
John, what
lot
do you
more
think
huge
it's in?
difference. All right.
Here, I'm gonna make it look at us. All right. I'm gonna get on it. I'm pretty sure it's shooting a little bit. Oh, so I'm gonna put it.
Rat, something's not right with that rat.
Huh.
That tree was not leaning when I last came over here. That's leaning.
That one?
Yeah, this one right in front of us. That one was never leaning.
No, it's been like that.
No. All right, watch out. Let me shoot.
I wonder where it's hitting.
Yeah. All right. Trust me, this one's gonna be good.
John, you gotta show me how to. John, don't shoot. John, no. John, the pole.
I'm fine. I won't.
No, John, don't shoot.
I'm not gonna shoot.
Don't shoot.
That's the ball. I'm not gonna shoot the ball.
John, don't shoot. No, don't shoot. Just scooch it over a little bit towards mine.
Okay, hold up.
Whoa.
If that chair wasn't there, I would have bumped. Let me go move on over there.
Holy. John, why didn't you take the phone over? Maybe next time take the phone over.
Oh, okay.
So we actually get views. Well, I'm looking for a squirrel. Can I shoot at that?
What?
Guys, next time he'll bring you over, okay?
I swear I will.
Yeah, don't act that.
All right, let me.
That time it didn't work.
Don't shoot the
John,
can.
show me how to sight it in, guys.
Okay, hold on.
I'm gonna shoot the can.
No, don't.
John, I'm not gonna hit it. Watch me hit it.
Yeah, I was just saying that. The frick?
I hit the tree.
What do you want?
I hit the limb.
What do you want?
How is that possible, John?
Bro, you went. Now you're looking down and say you want. All right, let me see your gun.
Because I had this light on it and I was steady, so
Watch
I
out.
went like that. You gotta load it. Can I try your gun?
Yeah, it has a bullet in it. So hold on. Let me shoot this first. Let me see where it's moving.
Here, hold up. Let me just shoot. I got John's 22 caliber, right?
Yep.
Little pellet gun.
You're not wrong.
All right, I'm gonna knock that can over. Where's your safety at? Oh, Is it on red? You're dead when you push forward?
Yeah, when you push forward, it's dead. It's right there.
Jeez, you're gonna start it in.
All right,
Let's bring the camera to see where I hit that sucker.
Hold up. Let me shoot. Hold up, guys. Let me shoot. Right.
Okay. Gonna let John shoot. My pellet gun I got for Christmas. Oh yeah, it might be a little late, but Happy New Year's and Merry Christmas. I love doing this. In the summer, my channel is probably gonna be made of fishing.
Yeah.
And in the winter, hunting and duck hunting. So if you hit the target, you think you hit that, Liam?
I'm not sure.
Will you shoot that? I'm gonna shoot this.
Hold up.
I like the 22 caliber. Beauty.
All right, hold up.
Yeah, I'm gonna bring the pellet gun.
Okay, so this is the targets up here. I was hitting right there and right there. All right. My gun. All right. Came right here. Looks like rat. Damn. You didn't do too bad, rat. Look at it. It was that's where the 22 caliber shot. That's where the 177 shot. That's where you shot. That's where the 177 caliber shot. So
That's good.
here, I'm gonna make it so it goes straight back.
Hide the ladder behind the tree. Hide the ladder behind the tree.
Right here, it's good.
Yeah, but hide the ladder behind the tree.
Okay. You know what? I'll just keep it up here. Maybe? No. How do I? No, I'm gonna get back. No. Should we get enough? All right. Well,
What should I shoot at?
don't shoot at the can. I'm shooting at the can. No, don't shoot at the can.
Whoop. Fine. I'm just joking. I'm gonna try to hit the middle one.
That one? Gotta be real steady for the middle one.
Holy, bro. Yeah, I do.
That stupid squirrel's right there.
It's not shooting.
It's not. Well, you need to
Oh, no.
do the safety.
I think I got it now. God, don't get back. I had it like that.
Yeah, no wonder.
I have it
All right, shoot. Yeah.
John, don't shoot with me. Get
I'm
out.
not. I'm looking.
You can see with your own eyes. Holy, that's not good.
Right.
That is not good.
Because you missed it.
did. John, I swear I was exactly on.
Okay, right. It doesn't have to be exact. Come on. Let me shoot that.
I bet I can
Yeah.
knock the whole thing down in
Watch
one.
out.
I hear a bird. Where? I got this.
Okay.
Definitely don't. Did you been using yours? What if I use that red one?
It don't matter. That stupid squirrel is right there. It's right there.
We can shoot it.
Can't go into the woods without someone. Okay, I can.
Plus, it's by the road. I could shoot from here.
Looks like
I hear him right there, bro.
bottom right. Sounds like. Bottom right. That's
Chad, if you set the whole thing in perfect, I'll give you $10. Easiest money of your life.
okay.
I know, I just see the squirrel. Oh, there he is.
Where?
No, that's a leaf.
Is that a squirrel right there?
I have it on safety. Imagine I see a fox pop out. Hit my first fox. Have you ever shot in a fox?
All right. Let me see if I can.
Have you shot in a fox?
Bro,
if that squirrel comes out, bro.
I can hear it. It's in that nest.
I know.
Yeah.
What if you shot the nest? If you ask my dad, did you shoot the nest? And then the squirrel pops out and I shoot it.
Watch out. That should have helped somewhat decent. What is going on?
Aim at the middle.
Aim at the middle.
Yeah, I see it there. Yeah, it's on it.
Oh, right under it.
No, it was in between the
Gotcha.
big one and the little one. I hope I see a squirrel pop out. Woohoo! So that's a miss. That's a miss, guys. Don't like missing at all. What's the point of the red on it? Is that a killer bullet?
Hit it.
Hit what?
The can.
How did it not fall?
Because it's up against 2 sticks.
Hey. But the 22 caliber. Which one is this? 22 caliber or mag?
22 caliber. It's not the 22.
I know.
No.
Bro, I literally see the squirrel right now.
Is it up in its nest? Where is it?
Yes. Oh, that's a bird over there. If we grabbed our BB guns, he would allow it. But they ain't killing nothing. I'm really trying to hit it. I'm gonna try to knock down the hole until you set it.
Shoot like one on the side just like that.
That's what I'm doing. Where? Oh my God. Scoop y'all chair. Is it in there? Oh no, it's not. I thought it was in there. I have both of them.
Watch out.
The one, wait. I gotta show them what happened. Here,
Hold
don't
up. No,
shoot.
let me shoot. Let me shoot.
Shoot the can.
Don't.
Yo, guys, that's crazy what just happened. You missed.
Major fun.
No, I don't.
Hit the.
Oh, something crazy happened.
See, I hit it right.
I hit it. So I hit it right.
See, look, I hit it right there. No, I hit it right there. Wait, no.
Let's get this.
I shot these two.
No. I hit it right here
Yeah.
because I seen that move, and then I hit it somewhere like where these are.
I shot these two, so.
No, I think I hit that one. Because how would it ricochet and get all rusty in 2 seconds?
Hold up. Look for the
It
bullet.
ricocheted.
Look for the bullet.
I seen it ricocheted. I bet it's over there somewhere.
When they get hit, they go.
Yeah, but
And
that's
they
if
fly out
it's
of the way.
that's if it's a gun.
And they fly out of the way, so it's this big.
What was that?
The heck are they doing inside? Do you want to grab the BB guns and shoot nest or something? Yeah.
Sure.
Okay. Turn him subject.
Actually, we should shoot a nest. Where's that one nest?
It's
That's right
right up
there.
above us. No. Where is it?
Well, there's a nest up there that I'm about to shoot it.
And I'm going to get on it. Hold up.
It's raining.
Just
It
don't
does
keep-
the wizard rain.
Let me shoot the nest. Let me just shoot the nest.
Wait,
because,
shoot the nest
if
with this.
No, if the squirrel pops out, then you shoot it.
Yeah, but that's not hitting nothing. All right, let's load them up.
Alright, I'm shooting the nest. This nest is right there. I see it now. Hold up.
Uh-huh.
You ready?
I got a bird nest.
I need to get to where I can see it. Right here is good.
Oh, guys, I'm sorry. Hold up. 1 sec. Let me load it. It's flipped the other way. John, all you gotta do is over. Let's see.
I don't know if there's
Is that? Yep,
ready?
there's the nest right there.
So, alright, you ready? Brett, get on it. Brett, get on it.
It's somewhere right there.
Get on it. You ready?
Hold up.
Oh, I see him. You got in there. You ready?
Hold up.
Hold up, don't shoot. Here we go. You ready? I'm gonna shoot the nest. You get.
You shoot first, and then I'll bring it up. It's
Okay.
dangerous when you do that. I shoot at that nest up there. I don't know if y'all can see it. You think you hit it?
I don't know if there's anything in it.
Somebody's here. In the back.
Shoot the nest, pretend. Oh, I see something moving. Hold up, come back. Come back here now.
Oh!
Come back here now.
Did you load it?
Hold up.
Bro, I wish we could shoot. Oh, what's that? There's a big bird. Holy. Look at John. Look at that bird. Oh, that's a seagull. No wonder why.
There's nothing up in that tree.
No?
Shoot it. So that we can go inside and then with our hands and post the video.
Huh?
Post the video.
Why do I
We're
post
gonna
it so
end it.
late?
There it is.
Yeah, but we want to wait till a squirrel comes. I see one. Wait.
My time is near. My time is.
There's a bird. Oh, that's seagull. But it's too far.
You shoot the nest. Oh, that nest right there. That's
Huh?
a big nest over there.
Where?
Right there. Right there. right down there. And there's a squirrel hopping up the side of it. I'm joking. All right, let's go.
Yeah, I knew there wasn't a good nest.
That's a good nest back there. What the frick is that? Hold up, what the frick is that?
Where?
The frick
What?
is that?
Where?
Shoot at it.
You sure there's something?
Right there.
My dad don't like it when somebody shoots at something random.
Right there.
Maybe it's fox, so maybe I get to kill it.
You know red fox can climb or something?
What?
One fox can climb.
No.
Okay. I don't know what that is.
Where?
Right there, you see that big thing?
Oh,
right
there's a big nest.
there? I know, right next to it.
Right there?
No, right there. You see that big thing right there? Look through the scope. Look through the
That,
scope.
oh, that thing on that branch?
Yeah, that
Next
purple.
that little branch?
Yeah, what is that?
That's probably just a big leaf or whatever.
Alright, let's
It's
go.
a leaf. Hold up, don't end it. I'm gonna shoot that can if I see it. But we still got sight in my pellet gun.
It's fine.
Right? She already is sighted in.
Alright, $10. You owe me. You remember?
I was already sighted in.
Alright, guys. Make sure you like and subscribe.